you all agree that innovation is a function of creativity and execution. And for most organizations, right, this pressure of execution is like really, really time bound, right? You got to you're getting disrupted by your competition, by startups and everything, right? So how do you balance out that innovation equation? And this is, I use that just as a framework to also kind of tell the difference between what is execution and creativity. And this gets back to our earlier point about what is the value of design, right? Execution for me is how well do you solve problems, right? I know what the problem is, and over time I have an organization, processes, and I'm very, very efficient at solving problems, and that's execution, right? And creativity, like if you think of execution as problem solving, I like to introduce it as problem finding, right? What's the problem worth solving in the first place? Because you need that, right? If you're only solving the same problems over and over and over again, then you're just making your existing things more efficient, and you're getting incremental types of innovation. But the breakthroughs usually come when you question, hey, is that thing that made us successful 5 years ago, 10 years ago still relevant? There's new context, there's new needs, new technologies, right? So for me, creativity is finding the right problem to solve. And this is where design comes in, right? Design, the whole design process, aside from making things look pretty, is all about understanding who the users are, what their needs are, and understanding whether directions in the solution space will actually kind of fit those needs. So that's how you bring things together, and that's what I talk about with innovation and creativity and execution.